Hi, it's Barry. I thought you might want to see what I finally got for Black Friday from Cloth and Paper. So let me get it unpacked for you. So of course I had to get the clip bundle. I already have 3 black ollie clips, but I really wanted a 4th because black is my favorite color. I love the matte soft feel to it, and I easily have a 4th planner to put it on. But tell me this isn't great with the little graph on there. I love that. So a lot of people wanted to get the dot stickers the first day, and I knew that I wanted more than one of these, so I decided to wait, and then I did purchase these, and you get squares and hexagons and drops and whatever with it. I just love those dots. This is the freebie that I got. It's a semicircle, and I think, this will be great for marking things, marking edges of pages. Got these because who can't use this color? It's avant-garde, it's matte, and so I have matte and I have transparent to play with, and I have lots of ideas of how I plan to use these. Now, if you were thinking that I was going to spend some time showing you white pens tested on all of these, and you're interested in that, you'll be really interested in the next video because I have a very comprehensive review of many, many, many white pens and my experience with them. It's something that has been requested, and I took a little longer before doing it because I wanted to pick up a couple more pens to try, and the last one is arriving today, and that one will be filmed immediately after it arrives. So, I buy these every year. It's a transparent dashboard that has the year at a glance. I like using it for layering. I also like using it right behind a divider where I don't want someone to see what's on the following page. You can see through it, but you can't really read through it. So it works well in both cases. So on the last chance, I bought the same thing in 3 different sizes that I have because some of these pages will work for different purposes. It's that great travel bundle, which I already have, but some of the pages it's great to have for multiple trips. So at the price that they were offered on last chance, I gobbled them up. I also got a set of the monthly calendars in the mini HP size. I'm experimenting with a weekly in my mini HP instead of using a hobo. We'll see how that goes. I do have a hobo as backup if I need it. So probably my favorite thing that I got was the new Spotlight page flags. And if you don't have these, they're fantastic because you can write on the clear section and then, but you still have a dot to mark things. And of course, if you're going to write on this or anything transparent, you're going to want to use that Unipin pen. And all the products are linked below. But this one is great. It's the Volume 1E. And I also did get these sticky notes in avant-garde matte because I think I got every single black item that there was. Anyway, so this is the 1E, and this one has avant-garde, fog, and aspen. The original volume 1 had lagoon, Mykonos, and aspen. And I have multiple sets of these because I actually stick them in planners that I'm working on because I really love using these. And I really wanted to get the one that had the black. And as you can see at the top, that's what it will look like on white. And I think, they're very close, certainly. The bottom one is the same. The aspen, the grays look very similar, but I really wanted that black. There were 2 pens that I was interested in, Kokuyo. Now, Kokuyos are my favorite pens. Those of you who watch my videos know about this. And so I had to try this. And what I did is I bought the pen bodies. It was really cool that you could buy them that way. And then I like to use a Uniball Signo, the 307 refill, and I have that link below. I also use an Energel 3.3. The one that I have in here, the Uniball Signal, is a 0.38, but the 0.3 is also really nice. So I ordered the slim body and the regular body, and this is what I got. Can you tell which is which? I certainly had a hard time. And I think the only way I can tell which one is thinner is the way it feels when I'm writing. I thought, well, by accident, maybe they put the same size in, but they have two different colored labels. So they're very comfortable. I like them. I'm glad I purchased them. And I think I would get the slim body because if this one is the slim body, it is a little bit more comfortable, the one with the purple. Anybody who knows anything about this and can comment below, I'd love to hear your comments on that. Also, the journal cards they came with, I adore this one. And I like this because it's on both sides, so you really get the advantage of two. Two, if you want to switch them around, or if you stick them into something clear, you'll see the back side of it. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in white gel pens, check out that next video. I'm going to give you lots of good advice on what to buy and definitely what not to buy. See you next time around.